Hi there, and a big warm welcome. Ever wonder what makes your favorite apps and websites work so smoothly? Or who makes sure they don't glitch out right when you need them? If you're curious about a career where you help make digital products better, you're in the right place. This video series is your friendly guide to the world of software quality assurance, or QA for short. And don't worry, you don't need to be super techie to get started. Just bring your curiosity and a good eye for detail. In this video, we'll cover two key things. 1. What exactly is software testing, and why is it such a big deal? 2. Who are the people you'll work with on a software team? And where does QA fit in? Ready? Let's dive in. So, what is software testing really about? Picture this. You download a new app, tap a button, and nothing happens. Or worse, the app crashes. Super annoying, right? That's where software testers, or QA pros, come in. At its core, software testing is all about making sure apps and websites work the way they should. It's about reliability, usability, and making sure users have a smooth experience. As the QA, you're basically the user's advocate, testing the product carefully to catch problems before real users run into them. Your job is to help create a great experience. And this applies to everything, from the social apps on your phone to the tools you use at work, your streaming platforms, even smart home devices. Every one of them needs testing. That's why QA is such an exciting and important job in today's tech world. Now, let's talk about the awesome people who come together to build software. It's never a solo job. Building an app or a website takes teamwork. Think of it like building a super cool modern house. Everyone brings their own skills to the project. Here's a quick rundown of the key roles you'll typically see. Product owner or product manager. They're like the architect. They figure out what the team should build based on user needs and business goals. They set the vision. Business analyst, or BA for short. The BA is like the translator and planner. They take business needs and turn them into clear, detailed requirements so developers and testers know exactly what to build and test. Technical lead. This is usually a very experienced developer, like the head engineer. They guide technical decisions and make sure the software is built the right way. Developers. The builders. They write the actual code to turn ideas into working software. Project manager. The project manager is like the site supervisor. They keep an eye on budget, timelines, and make sure the whole project stays on track. Scrum master. If the team is using an agile process, which we'll talk about soon, the Scrum Master is like the team coach. They help keep the team moving smoothly and solve problems along the way. User interface and user experience designers. These are the interior designers. They make sure the product looks great and is easy to use. They shape the user experience. DevOps engineers. These folks handle infrastructure and automation, making sure the software is deployed smoothly and works well across different environments. And then there's you, the QA professional. Think of yourself as the quality inspector. Before the product is released to users, you check every detail, making sure it works perfectly and delivers the experience it was designed for. QA is one of the few roles that interacts with everyone on the team, which makes it super collaborative and fun. As you explore your future in QA, you'll find that these teams usually exist in two types of companies. In-house product companies. These are companies that build and maintain their own products. You get to know the product inside and out and help improve it over time. Outsourcing companies. These companies are hired by other businesses to build software for them. As a QA in an outsourcing company, you'll likely work on lots of different projects, which can give you great experience across different industries and technologies. Both paths are great. It just depends on what kind of experience you're looking for. So, why might QA be a great career path for you? First off, it's in demand. Companies everywhere need good QA people. There are tons of opportunities out there, and the demand keeps growing. Second, you really make an impact. You're not just clicking around randomly. You're helping shape great user experiences and directly contributing to successful, high-quality products. Third, it's perfect for problem solvers. If you enjoy finding bugs, asking what if, and figuring out how things work and don't work, QA is definitely your kind of space. Plus, you'll always be learning. The tech world moves fast, and there's always a new tool, technique, or type of testing to explore. You'll never be bored. And finally, it's a great way to break into tech. QA gives you a broad understanding of how software is built, tested, and delivered, which can open doors to roles like development, product management, DevOps, and more. And your natural curiosity, along with your attention to detail, are your superpowers here. That's it for today. You've just taken your first step into the world of software testing. Now you know what QA is all about, why it matters, and how QA fits into a software team. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what other QA topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy testing!